Hello there, designers, and to our new friends, welcome to Designing with Latisha McKinney. So today we're going to do another luxurious DIY. So let's get started in today's tutorial. Okay, team, so I have always loved these large acrylic stones, so I decided to make it out of an organizer using the items from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to place some hot glue right here in the center of the acrylic stone. Now with the knob is also acrylic, I'm going to take a mid-size bit of the glue and place it onto there, and then I'm going to adhere it directly in the center of my large acrylic stone. Now I would advise you to use a permanent bonding glue, but I am using hot glue for video time purposes. This is how your top should look. It is so cute. It has like this perfume look to it. This is how your side should look, and make sure it is directly in the center because you want the weight to be even on both sides. So we want to make sure it's balanced, okay? Now this is the candle holder that I'm going to be using for this DIY. I know that the Dollar Tree sells 2 of them. However, I'm going to put the dimensions down in the description box for you. So for all of our extra glamours in our YT community, we are going to add this brooch. Now remember, we did a double stack in this tutorial right there where you see that iCard, so you can check it out to see how we do our brooches over here. Now it's time for me to lift it up. Remember to use a strong bonding glue for this DIY. This is what it looks like when I lift it up, friends. And then I'm going to place it back down. I just hot glued it for video time purposes. I would love to hear from you all about today's tutorial. It's very quick, very easy, very simple to do. And tell me, what would you use it for? The reason why I asked that question, just in case someone in our community want to do this DIY, give them some great ideas. So that is it for this tutorial today, my friends. But hold up. If you have not signed up for the March gift card giveaway, do so at this time. Just click that iCard right there and fill out the form. That's all you have to do. I do not want you all to miss out on this opportunity. All right, everyone, you know we appreciate each and every last one of you. And something else I want to point out. Remember that everything we use will be in the description box down below. Just click the arrow button below the video if you are on a computer, or if you are on a device, click it on the side. All right, everyone, we are so out. We will see you Friday. And remember, blessings abundantly, and we will see you in the next one.